Namaste. I am Dr. R. Shivakumar, Medical Director, Chennai Heritage Hospital, and I am also the Professor of Sai Ram Ayurveda Medical College. Today, I am going to explain what is Ayurveda. Hope you will all have a vague idea what is Ayurveda. Some people say it is traditional medicine, it is ancient medicine, it is grandma's potion, detoxification, Shirodhara, yoga and whatnot. So, today I am going to explain what is Ayurveda. Ayurveda is an ancient Indian system of medicine which literally in Sanskrit means science of life. So this is the only system which is not a medical science but it is an entire science of your life. So it's explaining you how you have to live in harmony with mind, body, soul and the senses. So this is the entire philosophy of Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, we call a healthy person as Swasthan. Swastha means Samadosha, Samagnischa, Samadhatu Malakriyaha, Prasanna Atmendriya Manaha, Swastha iti abhidiyate. Literally, what it means is a healthy person is not just a union of perfect structural components, it is also the union of perfect physiological components and the metabolism as well as the best of mind, body and soul all put together is the best form of swastha, which is a healthy person. So Ayurveda is not a medical science when you go to only when you need to, but it's a medical science you can access it for your everyday diet and lifestyle. Brahma Smritva Ayusho Vedaha, which means Ayurveda is an eternal science, but the written records are just 5000 years old, but still Ayurveda addresses even the 21st century challenging diseases. Ayurveda categorizes individuals based on their prakritis. Prakritis means constitutions. So the treatment approach in case of diseases is also based on this prakritis. Hence, even for a common complaint, the Ayurveda sees these people into individual prakritis and treats them in every possible individualized approach with diet, lifestyle and regimen. Rogamado parikshe tato anantaram aushadam. This is the basic concept of Ayurveda. Ayurveda doesn't treat symptoms at all. Ayurveda sees the root cause of the disease and treats it. So this is the most strength of Ayurveda in treating diseases because Ayurveda doesn't treat the symptom at all. Ayurveda has its own diagnostic methods. The Trivida Pariksha, Darshanam, Sparshanam, Prashnam, the Ashtavida Pariksha, Nadi, Malam, Mutram, Jihva, Shabda, Sparsha, Drik, Akriti and the Dashavida Pariksha. Through these parikshas, a physician will be able to diagnose a disease in equivalence with the modern medicine. Ayurveda has a set of scientific guidelines in the food, in the diet, in the lifestyle, in the daily regimen, in the seasonal regimen, in the control of the natural urges. All these are categorized and are given based on the constitution of the person. So, by following all these things, once you know about your constitution and following all these things will help you to keep your health in the best limelight. Our body is a supercomputer. It's a magnificent pharmacy. In case of a disease, it knows what to do, when to do and how to do. We are only here to support the body's cause. This is the exact strength of Ayurveda. Ayurveda does not go against your body or against the disease. It helps you to preserve your health. If at all a disease occurs, it helps you to recover with milder symptoms and without any complications and side effects. The good news is the world is turning back to Ayurveda. Ayurveda has been recognized as a mainstream medication in most of the countries and WHO has authorized Ayurveda as one of the medical systems. In India, Ayurveda is governed by Department of Ayush, Government of India, through which there are so many colleges existing and Ayurveda has BAMS courses, MD courses and even PhD courses through which doctors like us learn and treat people. So I hope this video would have given you a plain simple idea on Ayurveda. Meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.